Following 2 days of Housing Digital Live, we're here this evening to celebrate Housing Digital Innovation Awards. All right.
Feels really great to win this award, especially as actually we're doing the things that matter most for customers, especially given the cost of living crisis and the challenges that facing the industry, that we're able to support those in the most need and also ultimately reduce their home running costs.
We're particularly excited to sponsor this award. We need to retrofit almost every house in the country and we need new innovative ways to do it. Really impressed by the way that Northampton Partnership Homes have tackled that challenge.